Hey guys, I'm currently driving out to Burke Lakefront Airport. My dad's coming to pick me up in his 182. All the planes that I usually rent down in Medina are booked today, so the plan was to go meet him somewhere, but instead he has to come pick me up. We're gonna go to Port Clinton for breakfast. I wanted to show you guys this wing strut mount that I came up with. It's basically made up of a GoPro pole mount with the rubber linings, and I extended it with 2 bolts, and then I have a backing nut on the back side so I can tighten these wing nuts down really good. I decided to rock the waterproof housing just so I don't like blow out a microphone from the wind. I bought some cold weather electrical tape that I'm gonna wrap around the structure just to give it a little extra integrity. What's up? Not too bad. Looks nice out. See, I got some backing bolts so I can tighten it down without cracking the thing. You know what? I don't know if the GoPro's gonna fit on there with these bolts things.
Burke ground surf Mike's holding short at 24 left, we're ready to depart. November 6904 Mike, Lakefront Tower, runway 24 left, cleared for takeoff.
So we just finished up the flight. It didn't budge at all. We were doing like 125 knots, true airspeed. That thing was stable, and as you can see, the shots were... I'm gonna leave a link to the GoPro pole mount in the description so you guys can go get one yourself, and then I'll let you guys know what bolts I got. I got it at Lowe's. It was no big deal. So yeah, hope you liked the video, and go make your own mount, get some good shots. We'll see ya.